एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल zoophilicbuddy। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ओवरव्यू ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के बारे में। सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द लेक्चर। टू ग्रुप्स ऑफ ऑर्गन्स कंपोज द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एज शोन इन द फिगर, द गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल जीआई ट्रैक्ट एंड द असेसरी डाइजेस्टिव ऑर्गन्स। सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे जीआई ट्रैक्ट के बारे में, उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे असेसरी डाइजेस्टिव ऑर्गन्स कौन कौन से हैं। So, the GI tract, that is the gastrointestinal tract or alimentary canal, is a continuous tube that extends from the mouth to the anus through the thoracic and abdominopelvic cavities. Organs of the GI tract, that is gastrointestinal tract, include the mouth, most of the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The length of the GI tract is about 5 to 7 meters, that is 16.5 to 23 feet in a living person. It is longer in a cadaver, about 7 to 9 meters, or you can say 23 to 29.5 feet, because the muscles along the wall of the GI tract organs are in a state of tonus, that is sustained contraction. The accessory digestive organs include the teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Teeth aid in the physical breakdown of the food, and the tongue assists in chewing and swallowing. The other accessory digestive organs, however, never come into direct contact with food. They produce or store secretions that flow into the GI tract, that is gastrointestinal tract, through ducts के थ्रू ये secretions GI tract में flow होते हैं. The secretions aid in the chemical breakdown of food. The GI tract, that is gastrointestinal tract, contains food from the time it is eaten until it is digested and absorbed or eliminated. Muscular contractions in the wall of the GI tract physically break down the food by churning it and propel the food along the tract from the esophagus to the anus. The contractions also help to dissolve foods by mixing them with fluid secreted into the tract. Enzymes secreted by accessory digestive organs and cells that line the tract break down the food chemically. Now, overall, the digestive system performs 6 basic processes. First is ingestion, as written on the blackboard. First क्या है? Ingestion. Second क्या है? Secretion. Third one is mixing and propulsion. Next is digestion. Second last is absorption, and the last stage is defecation, that is elimination of waste material, जिसको हम feces भी कहते हैं. Now again come back to the figure. First of all, the first basic process is ingestion, that is this process involves taking foods and liquids into the mouth, which is known as eating. Secretion में क्या है? Each day cells within the walls of the GI tract and accessory digestive organs secrete a total of about 7 liters of water, acid, buffer, enzymes into the lumen of the tract. Next is mixing and propulsion. Alternating contraction and relaxation of smooth muscles in the wall of the GI tract mix food and secretions and propel them towards the anus. This capability of the GI tract to mix and move material along its length is called motility. इसको motility बोलते हैं. Now the third last step is digestion. Digestion में क्या होता है कि mechanical and chemical processes break down ingested food into small molecules. In mechanical digestion, the teeth cut and grind food before it is swallowed, and then smooth muscles of the stomach and small intestine churn the food. As a result, food molecules become dissolved and thoroughly mixed with digestive enzymes. In chemical digestion, the large carbohydrate, lipid, protein, and nucleic acid molecules in food are split into smaller molecules by hydrolysis. Digestive enzymes produced by the salivary glands, tongue, stomach, pancreas, and small intestine catalyze these catabolic reactions. A few substances in food can be absorbed without chemical digestion. These include vitamins, ions, cholesterol, and water. The second last is absorption. The entrance of indigested food and secreted fluids, ions, and the product of digestion into the epithelial lining, the lumen of the GI tract, is called absorption. The absorbed substances pass into blood or lymph and circulate to cells throughout the body. Now the last one is deification, that is waste, indigested substances, bacteria, cells slowed from the lining of the GI tract and digested materials that were not absorbed in their journey through the digestive tract leave the body through the anus in a process called deification. The eliminated material is termed as फीसिस, जो कि जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि जो मटेरियल एलिमिनेट हो रहा है बॉडी से उसे हम फीसिस कहते हैं. जिस्ट में बात करें तो इन 6 जो बेसिक प्रोसेस अभी हमने बताए, इंजेक्शन, सेक्रीशन, मिक्सिंग एंड प्रोपल्शन, डाइजेशन, अब्जॉर्प्शन एंड डिफिकेशन, इनका फंक्शन क्या है. अगर हम जिस्ट में बात करें तो वो है, इंजेक्शन के केस में फंक्शन है टेकिंग फूड इनटू द माउथ. सेकेंड, सेक्रीशन का फंक्शन है रिलीज ऑफ वाटर, एसिड, बफर एंड एंजाइम्स इनटू द ल्यूमेन ऑफ द जीआई ट्रैक्ट. थर्ड वन इज मिक्सिंग एंड प्रोपल्शन, churning and propulsion of food throughout the GI tract. डाइजेशन में क्या होता है, डाइजेशन का फंक्शन है कि मैकेनिकल एंड केमिकल ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ फूड. अब्जॉर्प्शन का फंक्शन है पैसेज ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम द जीआई ट्रैक्ट इनटू द ब्लड एंड लिम्फ. डिफिकेशन, द एलिमिनेशन ऑफ फीसिस फ्रॉम द GI tract, that is gastrointestinal tract. So that's it regarding the overview of the digestive system. Lastly, do like, share and subscribe the videos and the channel. Thank you.